How many have you had this week?
Oh my.
5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And they just come and go?
No, when I look,
Okay.
if I can do it now. I can look to the left without turning my head. But if I do that to the right without turning my head, the zap occurs.
Besides those zaps, do you have any headaches?
Not really. It's just kind of, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just this, it's a state of uneasiness. I used to do more of a silent mindfulness meditation. George Floyd's murder. It was a trigger for me to go, I don't know if I can handle this with what I'm on.
Let's turn your head towards the white wall for me. This way. Yep. And then the opposite way. So it hurts when you go that way.
I'm just afraid of the zap.
Oh, okay. Back to the center.
Okay.
Did you get it?
No. Hang on a second. Dr. Reagan, I can feel it wanting, but it's not a bang in the face. I deal with it. Because the only white paper, like research I found, is like it could last like anywhere from 2 weeks to months. But there's nothing that's
causing it.
Right, they just keep calling it a phenomenon.
Very easily. Awesome. Oh, that looks a lot better. Okay, great. Look at the white wall again for me. Perfect. And then towards the pink wall. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Back to the center. Good. We're gonna sit up and flip over.
Okay, so, thank you.
You're welcome.